July 2000, or July 12th, 2017.
Voicemail for the office of the Honorable Judge William Alexander, Division 504 of Pueblo Combined Court. We are unable to take your call because we are either in court or assisting another customer. Please leave a message, including your name, case number, and telephone number. Your call will be returned as soon as possible. Thank you. Please leave a message at the tone. When finished, you may hang up or press pound for additional options.
Hello, Mr. Alexander. This is Dr. Heidi Woodick. I needed to bring to your attention 15 CR 1287 that this case has no merit, whatsoever, period. However, you, along with Deborah Eiler and David Lytle and all of the others involved in this water taking, have illegally taken my name, Dr. Heidi Woodick, off of all of my properties at the county assessor without due process, without change of deed, without a bill of sale, without anything. That's treason. It's illegal. It's a federal crime. That is document fraud of a government document. And you're a judge. You should know this. And I'm bringing this to your attention. Everything is recorded. This is not a threat whatsoever. But I'm letting you know that how do you expect to continue your malicious prosecution? Not one thing you've done is holding up. Also, CMHIP is getting in trouble for racketeering, as I told you before. But I'm bringing it to your attention that Oprah Winfrey and Michael Ferrante are now both sitting on my estate, and you guys took all my name off of all of the deeds and titles to my properties without going through a title company, without doing this properly, and through the property laws. So you are continuing a malicious prosecution, which is an act of treason. It's prohibited by law, and I'm bringing this to your attention. I want the case dismissed today. Thank you, sir. My number is 719-281-5748. You can look on the county assessor. I brought this to their attention, and they said that the county attorney has to determine whether or not they're going to put my name back on my properties. I'm sorry, the county attorney has no legal authority to do that, so you guys are creating another violation. Do you know I can sue this whole entire state for this? We need to call FBI. You need to call me today so that way you're not sitting in a delusional psychosis thinking that you're going to get away with this. How many people have you guys murdered over this? How many people have you done the same thing to and holding their children hostage and exploiting them on the internet? I do have calls, too, that my child's being exploited on the internet by you guys on child porn, and so I'm bringing this to your attention, sir. I'd like to come in, provide you the witnesses, the statements, the phone calls, and all of that to you, so you can see that I'm going to hold you to child porn as well for illegally taking my child from me. This is no threat. This is just real stuff you're going to be in trouble for. There was a judge that just got taken down in New York City. They're taking judges down left and right. This is no threat. William Alexander, I want this case dismissed as it's my right. And the Constitution and color of law's mandated process for such cases is for this case to be dismissed with a prejudice, and that the DA be sanctioned, and that you report it to the FBI as you're required.